Hey there, folks! We got a special treat for you today. Informal Business Report, the coolest presentation in town. Let's meet the awesome squad behind this show. We are like the Avengers of business presentation, ready to unleash some knowledge. Now, let's spill the beans on what you're going to take away from this roller coaster ride. So, grab some popcorn and let's have a blast exploring informal business report together. Let's rock and roll.
Our journey begins with the art of tabulating and analyzing data. Imagine data as a raw pieces of a puzzle. To make sense of it, we must sort, analyze, combine, and recombine these pieces. The result? Meaningful information. Fortunately, we have a toolbox of summarizing techniques at our disposal. Tables. These organized grids help in simplifying complex data. Statistical concept, mean, median, and mode. These are measures of central tendency. Correlation, the key to finding relationships within data. Grids, special structures to bring clarity to our analysis. Now, let's explore the remarkable decision matrix. Decision matrices are a vital tool to make well-informed choices in complex situations. They help eliminate bias and poor judgment. Next, we dive into the power of drawing conclusions and making recommendations. Conclusions are like the beating heart of a report. They summarize and explain the finding, guiding us to understand what the data truly means.
Effective document design is crucial, but moderation is a key to avoid overwhelming the reader. Our journey continues as we explore different types of report. These recurring reports are written at regular intervals, weekly, monthly, yearly, so that management can monitor business strategies and, if necessary, remedy any problems. Organizations want to know that their money was well spent in funding the travel. This report informs management about new procedures, equipment, and law, as well as supply information affecting products, operation, and services. Continuing projects often require progress or interim report to describe their status. These reports may be external or internal. Investigative reports reveal data for specific situations without offering interpretation or recommendation.
Okay, so next up, we have got the art of organizing data. It is essential to make your report easy to understand. We have got two main aspects to tackle here. First, there is ordering information logically. You can do it chronologically, by component, by importance, by criteria, or by convention. It is like arranging puzzle pieces in the right order. We have got the reader cues. These are like signposts in the data jungle. A well-crafted introduction, smooth transition, and informative headings. These are your secret weapons.
And finally, our very last stop, preparing short analytical reports. First, justification or recommendation reports. These are reports where you try to persuade your superiors or colleagues to take certain actions, like buying equipment or changing a procedure. You can choose to use a direct or indirect strategy based on your audience and topic. Second, feasibility reports. These reports determine if a plan is practical. They answer, can we make this plan work? Feasibility reports are typically for internal use and help decide on things, like merging departments, starting wellness programs, or outsourcing tasks. And finally, yardstick reports. These reports look at problems with more than one solution. To pick the best solution, the writer sets up rules for comparing the options. These rules act like a measuring tool to see which option is the best. Volkswagen, a German car manufacturer, was involved in a scandal in 2015 for cheating on emissions tests. Volkswagen used informal reports to communicate internally about its software that could detect when a car was being tested and alter its performance to reduce emissions. These reports were often written in code words, abbreviations, or slang, and they did not provide clear or accurate information about the risks and consequences of the cheating. Volkswagen's informal reports made it difficult for the company to detect and prevent the fraud, and expose it to legal and regulatory actions.